If you're using AI to do search, so are your customers. So what you need to do is make sure you get found in ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, AI overviews, all of the different AI platforms. You need to know that you're found. So I'm going to give you one thing that you can go and do right now, or tell your web developer to do it. Send them this link and then they can do it for you. This is one thing you can do now. So let's get started. So when you've got ChatGPT open like this, give them a prompt like this. Read my website at your URL and give me the schema for local business and person so that I'll have the full and complete information in my schema about me and my business. So I'm going to start that, and just to show that it doesn't really matter which engine, let's have a look at what sort of response we get from other search engines. So what schema is, just while each of those is running, if you have a look here at schema.org, this defines a way of packaging information that is consistent so that search engines and AI bots can read and understand your site very quickly without having to understand all of the context and nuance that gets put into language. So this is what it usually looks like. I prefer reading the JSON and use JSON on my website. I recommend you do that too. It very clearly says that we're using the person schema, and then it says everything about that person, the postal address, their colleagues, their email address, their name. It doesn't actually matter what format, what order this information comes in, it's the fact that it's there. So each of these will be a little bit different and have more or less information. Now, the way the prompt was put is it's got enough information to be exact for the search engines and the AI bots to be happy. So it's really important that you look at that. It's similar for local business. It's exactly the same concept. We're just defining, in this case, a restaurant, or in this example, we're defining a small business. Google and the AI bots love this information. So let's see what we got so far. So right now, it's already created the schema for me for local business and given all of this information about me or my business, the logo, the image, the telephone number, the best phone number, who the founder is. It actually references the person details. And then, has it done the full request? And then it's actually specified the person as well and all the detail about me personally. It's even gone and picked up a bunch of other URLs in their same as to say, here's where you can also find this same person. And it's told the search engines all about what you know about. So this is the sort of schema that I would expect that we get the same thing out of. Yep, out of Perplexity there. Let's see what Grok did. Grok's still thinking about it. And Gemini, yep. Gemini's broken them up and done the local business first and then done the person separately. Hasn't given as full an information about the person. It's left it very open. So that one probably wouldn't be ideal. So my day-to-day go-to is ChatGPT. It does a great job. I've just started using Perplexity more. It's proving to be really good as well. So this is what you need to be doing to get found in AI. It's only the first step. There's still a whole lot of other things, and I'll get to those in another video. Thanks for watching.